Hello everyone, this is Professor Raghavendra Adhyapak. So in today's class, we are going to start with the next concept called impact of inflation on return. Okay, so in the earlier classes, we already discussed about how the tax is impact on the return. Okay, so when we want to compare the tax-free investment or tax-free bonds with the taxable one, then how to convert that tax free into taxable? For that we called as taxable equivalent yield, करेक्ट? सो जो कुछ भी आपका टैक्स फ्री होता है उसको क्या करना है, टैक्सेबल में कन्वर्ट करना है एंड दोनों को क्या कर सकते हैं, हम कंपेयर कर सकते हैं, राइट? सो दैट आल्सो वी स्टडीड इन द लास्ट क्लास. ओके, सो इन टुडेस क्लास we are going to discuss about how inflation is impact on the return. Okay, so inflation plays an important role in the calculation of actual return or real return on investment. Due to the investment, purchasing power of the money will decrease, which also affect on the rate of return. Okay, so inflation मतलब क्या है, increase the price of the commodity where the value of the value or purchasing power of the money will goes down or decrease. prices क्या होता है, increase होता है, and price of the money और money का value क्या होता है, कम होता है, purchasing power, उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम, inflation, right? So how to calculate the inflation, right? So for that we use the one formula that how this inflation is effect on the return. So what is that? Inflation adjusted return or yield is equal to 1 plus capital R divided by 1 plus I, where R is equal to inflation adjusted rate, that is small r, capital R is equal to nominal return, and I is equal to rate of inflation. Okay, so with the help of this formula we calculate the what is the effect of the inflation on the return. Okay, so we will see this with one example by which you can understand it very easily. Okay, so what is the example is given, if a coupon rate bond of coupon rate 10%, okay, and the rate of inflation is 4% during the year, calculate the inflation adjusted return. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या है, एक बॉन्ड है, उसके ऊपर रिटर्न कितना है, 10% है. ओके, उसके साथ साथ उस ईयर में क्या है, इन्फ्लेशन हुआ है, कितना इन्फ्लेशन हुआ है, 4% का इन्फ्लेशन है. ओके, सो आफ्टर द इन्फ्लेशन व्हाट इज द एक्चुअल रिटर्न? सो इन्फ्लेशन एडजस्टेड रिटर्न आपको क्या करना है, कैलकुलेट करना है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट व्हाट टू डू, first we have to use the formula. So what is the formula? 1 plus capital R divided by 1 plus I minus 1. Okay, so that is the formula, right? Next, now you have to substitute the values. So what is the values? First one is 1 plus R. Capital R is nothing but we already told that rate of return, that is on the bond, correct? How much it is? 10%. So 1 plus 10% means what? 0.10, correct? Divided by, so what is 1 plus I? Okay, so what is I? I is inflation, we already know that, correct? So 1 minus, what is the inflation rate? 4%, so means 4 divided by 100 means 0.04 is the inflation, correct? Minus 1 as it is fixed, right? Next we have to solve one by one. So 1 plus 0.10 is equal to 1.10, correct? Divided by, next is 1 plus 0.04 means 1.04 minus 1 as it is. Next, so 1.10 divided by 1.40, how much, right? That is 1.0577. So this is what answer we got by dividing those values, right? Minus 1 as it is. Now minus the values, 1.0577 minus 1, so answer remains 0.0577. Okay, so what it is, it is in the decimal, but we want in the percentage, right? So R is equal to 5.77%. So what it means, we got the answer 5.77. What it is, So it is the actual rate of return on that bond after the consideration into inflation. Okay, so इसका मतलब क्या होगा इसका, इवन दो बॉन्ड के ऊपर आपका 10% इंटरेस्ट मिल रहा है, सो ड्यू टू द इन्फ्लेशन आपका जो कुछ भी मनी वहां पे इन्वेस्ट किया था ना आपने, उसका वैल्यू क्या हुआ है मार्केट में, कम हुआ है, परचेजिंग उसका पावर क्या हुआ है, कम हुआ है. ओके, सो ड्यू टू दैट at the end of the year, so whatever you getting the 10% return on bond, that is not a actual return, but due to the effect, what effect, inflation effect, your actual return, that is R is equal to only 5.77%. Okay, so even though you getting the full 10% interest on that bond, but ड्यू टू द इन्फ्लेशन उसका एक्चुअल वैल्यू क्या हुआ है मार्केट में, कम हुआ है. ओके, कितना है, ओनली 5.77% है. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ वी कैलकुलेट द effect of inflation on the bond. Okay, so by which we have completed the unit number 1, that is investment environment. Okay, so from the next class onwards, we are going to start with the second unit. Okay.